Right, this is where we are so far with the trailer. Put a little skiddy thing on the front there, which is basically a piece of that I've just cut. Use a piece of that, which out of that kit of parts. I've only got the cross beam attached, just to get a measure of it and see how it all goes together, and put a little piece on the back to mount number plate, and with these mudguard brackets. And so they've got the climb down from here. They've got the mudguards. Which will just mount in there like that. So all I've got to do now is just finish welding on that bracket over there. Once that's done, I can then unbolt that section and get it ready for paint, which it's not really warm enough to paint, but I think I'm going to have to try and get a coat of something on it, because this shed, this metal shed in here, that gets condensation, so everything's going to end up rusty if I'm not careful. But that's how far we are with that. Almost there.